We asked nearly 500 construction professionals, what one thing would you change about working here in your company? In our People in Construction report, there was a lot of good news, but there were some disturbing answers to this question. Could any of these be said by someone who works for you? Why can't we implement family tours so friends and family could see the job sites our men and women work so hard to build every day? The level of communication. Everything always seems to be a big secret, from what new employees are starting, bids we've won, upcoming initiatives, and then the unanswered emails and lack of follow-through. Clear direction. Seems easy. The appearance that some people are treated differently and are allowed to do things that do not fit the rest of our culture. Constant micromanagement. Will not listen to an opinion even after asking for one. Having top leaders live the values and lessons that are taught in our corporate university. To be heard without having it held against you. These are just a few examples, but you get the idea. To read the entire report, scan this code to download it.